Hey everybody, it's Derek here from HobbyBoxBreakers.com. Back from vacation and being sick. But tonight's 2011 Topps Marquee box break. This number 2. Along with that, we're going to do 9 packs from this Topps Series 1 box. Helping sure everyone gets something. And I have not pulled an auto or relic from this box yet, so 50-50 chance it will be in here. Okay. Eric Thames, Chipper Jones, Peter Bourgeois, Derek Jeter, Ichiro, Jeremy Moore, Colby Lewis, John Lackey, Chris Getz, and 2011 AL wins leaders. Chase Darnaud, Travis Wood, Chris Iannetta, Trevor Cahill, D. Gordon, Mark Casse, Eric Ibar, active AL ERA leaders. Why is Johan Santana on there? 2011 NL RBI leaders. That's a little weird because he doesn't. I don't know. I guess his ERA when he was with Minnesota. Strange. Danny Valencia, Justin Morneau, Curtis Granderson, Freddie Freeman, Joe Benson, Scott Sizemore, Unieski Betancourt, Mike Adams, Ben Revere, James McDonald. Ryan Braun, D. Gordon, Skip Schumacher, Lou Gehrig, Scott Downs, Jared Saltalamacchia, Eric Hosmer, Miguel Cairo, Matt Laporta, Chris Carpenter. Brennan Ryan, Craig Kimbrell, Vernon Wells, Dustin Ackley, Timeless Talents, Joe Morgan, Brandon Phillips, Willen Rosario, Chris Davis, Hunter Pence, Tyler Chatwood, Pablo Sandoval. Matt Cain, Alexia Gondo, Mark Melancon, Mark Teixeira, Desmond Jennings, John Jay, James Loney, Jason Ishringhausen, Michael Brantley, Nolan Reimold. Ryan Hannigan, Luke Hochevar, Eduardo Nunez, Reggie Jackson, Miguel Cabrera, Stephen Lombardozzi, Will Venable, Daniel Bard, Max Scherzer, and the active NL ERA leaders. Luke Scott, Jordan Zimmerman, Roberto Clemente, Kyle Hudson, Doug Fister, Orlando Hudson, Phil Hughes, active NL batting average leaders, and the 2011 AL home run leaders. Last one, Kurt Suzuki, Derek Holland, Yonder Alonso, Zach Greinke, Aroldis Vizcaino, Craig Kimbrell, Carl Pavano, Anibal Sanchez, Brian Wilson, and Niger Morgan. So the bonus hit is in that last set of packs there, which I'll be doing with the Tier 1 box break that I just put up. So here is the main event. David Price, numbered out of 199. Matt Holliday, Ryan Braun, Thurman Munson. And the first autograph is Fernando Martinez for the Mets. Bit of a letdown there. Oh, well, that wasn't great. Maybe I'll get better here. Albert Pujols, numbered out of 299. Mark Teixeira, Andre Ethier, Brooks Robinson, and a Titanic Threads, Jimmy Rollins, number 81 out of 99. Carl Crawford, numbered out of 99. Hanley Ramirez, Brandon Phillips, Johnny Mize, and a Game Time Mementos, Cal Ripken Jr. for the Orioles, number 75 out of 150. So the last one is also going to be an auto. I think there's supposed to be 2 autos. There should be for the prices stuff. Looks like it's a redemption. Robinson Cano, Whitey Ford, Honus Wagner, Ichiro, and a redemption for a Topps or a Marquee acclaimed impression single player dual relic of Ian Kinsler for the Texas Rangers. So I'll be sending that to Tom, who bought the Rangers. So here were the hits again. The Kinsler redemption, pretty decent for a jersey card. The Cal Ripken Jr. Fernando Martinez autograph, and a Jimmy Rollins Titanic Threads. So thanks for your purchase. Be sure to check out, I just put up tonight some for middle of the week, Topps Tier 1, Topps Heritage, and Allen and Ginter. So check those out. Thanks for your purchases, and I'll get your cards in the mail in the next day or two. Thanks again.